Hi, we have a class 7 algebra before us here. How do we solve this? Very easy. So we're not wasting much time on this. So we take a solution here. All right. So the first thing we do here is just to move every term here to this other time. So we have here 4, then minus 16, minus, let's put this in bracket. So we have x squared, then minus 4, close bracket is equal to 0. Easy. Okay. Now, let's put this in bracket also. So let's express this to the power of, as to base 4, right? So we can write 4 here raised to power 2. Why are we doing that? Because we are having something of that kind here. And also rewrite this as x to the power of 2 to the power of 2. So we can rewrite this as x to the power of 2, okay, in bracket 2. So let's put a square bracket here, then minus 4 to the power of 2. Then let's close our square bracket, minus bracket x to the power of 2 minus 4, close bracket equal to 0. Easy. Okay, so what we do here now, we can apply the difference of 2 squared. Remember the difference of 2 squared. We say that if we have a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2, this is equal to a plus b, close bracket, bracket, a minus b, right? Okay, so this is easy. Why I'm rushing this because this is just a very simple math, actually. So let's express this in this format. We're going to have this to be bracket open our x to the power of 2, then plus our 4, close bracket, bracket. This will give us here x to the power of 2 minus 4, close bracket. Okay, then minus what we have here, our x to the power of 2 minus 4, close bracket, everything to the power of 0. So what can you spot out from this expression we have here now? We have x to the power of 2 minus 4, x to the power of 2 minus 4. So we can factor that out. So let's factor that out. So this is going to give us here s to the power of 2 minus 4, close bracket. If we use this to divide this, we are left with our x to the power of 2, then plus our 4, close bracket. Okay, so let's put this in a square bracket. There we are now left with what? 1 here. So let's close our square bracket. This is equal to 0. Okay, so we can now open up this here. So we're going to have here s to the power of 2 minus 4, close bracket, bracket. You'll have x to the power of 2, then plus 4 minus 1, close bracket equal to 0. All right, so let's continue this side and see. Okay, from here we apply the zero product rule. So we equate this to 0, equate this to 0. Before then we can carry out our simplification. This will give us s to the power of 2 plus 3, right? So again, so let's just completely factorize this. So we have here this minus 4, close bracket, bracket. Here we're going to have here s to the power of 2, then plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so we're taking case 1. So we have our case 1. This will now give us our x squared minus 4 equal to 0. So we have x squared is equal to 4. We can take the square root of both sides. Immediately we do that, we add plus minus here. So this leave the system, so we have the x is equal to plus minus 2. Therefore, our x1 is equal to plus 2, and our x2 is equal to minus 2. All right, so let's keep this first here now. So these are the first roots. So we'll take our case 2, where we have this. So we have our case 2. Case 2, we have our x to the power of 2 minus, plus 3 equal to 0. Send this to this side, so we have x squared is equal to minus 3. Again, we take the square root of both sides, right? So this will give us x squared all over. This is equal to the square root of minus 3. We introduce our plus minus. Again, so let's end the thing here. Okay, so we know that the square root of iota, we know that your square root of minus 1 rather is equal to iota. So we can bring that in here. So this leaves the system. So we have our x. This is equal to, here we're going to have here plus minus the square root of 3 iota. So our x, x3, so we have x3 is equal to the square root of 3 iota, and x4 is equal to minus the square root of 3 iota. So these are the other two roots. Okay, so we have x1, x2, x3 that will satisfy this equation because we have the highest power here to be 4, so we have to look for 4 roots that will satisfy this simple class 7 algebra, and that is what we have here now. X1 positive to S2 negative 2, S3 root 3 iota, and X4 minus root 3 iota. You can go ahead to substitute that into the original equation. It will all satisfy the equation. Thanks for being there, despite the simplicity of this math challenge. Remember, this is Online Maths TV. If you've not subscribed, do it to subscribe. On Monday and Tuesday, I'm going to release a very powerful math challenge that you will definitely like, definitely find something new about. Okay, so stay connected. See you then. Bye for now.